Yo, what up, y'all? Let's make a new sample in Logic Pro from scratch. All right, so we're gonna build a track around this sample I found in Splice. Let's add drums. Let's add some Rhodes. Let's add some strings. Let's add some percussion. Bongos. So at this point, I'm going to search for a vocal sample using East-West Voices of Soul sound library. Using the same library, let's add some background vocals by just holding the chord. Gotta add some brass. Out of Logic, I went to the loop browser and I needed something more to add to the lyrics, so check it. How does it feel? On the master out, I just added this through the tape to glue everything together as a cohesive sound, and I put it on the preset called cassette deck. Let me let you hear what it does. Now that our sample's done, let's drag the stereo file into Logic and then we'll chop it up and see what we could do with it. So just like in the other video that we did, if you watched that one, we bounced the file to stereo, click and hold, drag over here to where it says Quick Sampler Original. It now put it inside of this Logic Quick Sampler. And from here, all the slices, just like the other video, corresponds to the notes down here, which correspond to notes on the keyboard. All right. If you don't want to chop up your sample inside of a sample like that, and you just want to leave the sample as is and just pitch it up, just go right over here to where it says transpose and double click, and let's go up 4. Let's turn on right flex. All right, turn it on so that it'll map to our tempo. All right, so another way to flip your sample, I'm gonna take that bounce file, right? And I'm gonna drag it into Machine. Let me grab it. Drag it onto pad number 1 in Machine. Let it go. Put it on pad number 1, change the polyphony to 1. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do on Machine now. All right, so now we got the sample on that same pad that we drug it on inside the computer. All right, watch this. So if you press where it says sampling on Machine, it's gonna show you the whole wave file just like on your computer. Now I'm gonna chop the sample by pressing the pads in succession with the beat. Watch this. Now it gave me all my slices. Looks like the Logic sampler, right?